Replacing and resizing icon. First, delete the icon you want to change. Go to Insert tab in menu bar, click on Shapes, click on Rectangle Shape and draw the rectangle where you want the icon to be placed. Then go to Format tab in the menu bar and click on Shape Outline from the drop-down menu. Click on No Outline, then click on Shape Fill. Click on Picture from the drop-down menu. Browse and select your own PNG icon. Click on Insert. Your icon changed. Now go to Menu, Picture Tools Format, click on Crop button and choose Fit option from the drop-down menu. In this moment, the icon will resize automatically in the box. Thanks for watching.